I want to answer this message on how and what materials I use on making these petals. Me and Ginger is going to teach you how I did my petals in my orchid series. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how I did it. First things first, let's go to the materials that we need. This is the main material I use on making those petals, and these are the foam sheets in 2 mm thickness. You can get this in Amazon on black and white and gray, and I got the black and I got a white, so we're gonna use maybe the white. As you can see, this is one of my favorite petals that I made. It got like a big bump here, like a big curve inside, and the flow of the petal on each side is like really realistic. This petal is very interesting too, and I'm gonna show you how I did this one. We also need wire cutter, scissors, some flower wires. I'm gonna explain you why we need flower wires, because as you can see I have like this wires on the back. So if you put it in your face, you can decide what curve do you want it to do, what curve and what direction you want it to. We need heat gun. Don't worry, this is like really cheap. It's under 20 and you can get it in any hardware store. Obviously this one is overused. I use it a lot, as you can see. If you're a follower for a long time, you know that I love doing hot glues in every looks that I did. And a silicone mat to work with. This is like cheap in Amazon. If you can all follow me in my Amazon influencer page, which is Mama Core. It'll say easy to find. Just Google Mama Car Amazon and my storefront will appear, and you can follow me there, and most of the material that I use is listed there and you can avail. You just need to cut according to what size do you like your petals to be, and this one is like a perfect size for me. And then I'm just going to fold it in 4 and then cut each sides. So this one is like a diagonal, like you need to cut it like this side. Of course, I'm going to teach you just to here and here. And we got our petal. This is the normal and the simplest petal we need. And this one I'm going to try to do a thinner one. And if you make a thinner one, you need to go like in curves, like zigzag cut. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, because we need to use the heat gun on this one. So this one is like a petal. So cute. Okay, for another shape of the petal, which is this one, you can like fold it in 2, cut, and then just play around with the shape. I want you to look closely on the tip of this one, because I love a long tip on this one, and you will understand it later when we use the heat gun. And this is what we have. And for this one, this is one of my favorite. This is the one I used like that. But you can use it as well like this. But remember which side are you going to put color and which side are you going to put the wires on. Like imagine how thick the petals you like to be. And maybe like cut it in half and start it like that. And a long one like this. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, okay? Because we're gonna pull it using the heat gun. Just like this. And this one is my favorite piece. We're gonna try to do it, but we need more of the, or maybe we can do a small version of it, just like this size. And of course, we need to do it like this. Okay, that's not good. And then it's like a fan. So we need to cut it like zigzag too. We need to put curves on that one. So if we pull it later, it's gonna be like crumpled, like a lace. Welcome to part 3, and this is Mr. Tofi, and we will continue teaching you how to do our petals in our orchid series. And this part, first we're gonna do simplest petal using heat gun on high. Now that it's like curling, all you need to do is like pull this one up and then stretch it like that. And we have the sides, and of course the middle, we should pull it like in the middle like that, so you will have the curve of a petal. And this is the petal already. It is so easy. Moving forward for this one, I love this one. We're gonna try to duplicate this one. This one is so cool. It's like realistic leaves. It's like realistic petal, and we're gonna try to do it using heat gun too. So now that it's like softer, I want you to pull the tip up. Maybe you can like fly it away, or like inside or out. It doesn't matter. You need to play with it. And this one, you need to pinch it. And the middle, we need to go it like this in the middle. And this is how you do my favorite petal. This one needs some tool, but we're gonna try to do it using your own scissors, and let's go. This one is softer now. Let's pull the tip out and then stretch the side. Be careful, do not rip it off, do not break it. In the middle, and then maybe using your scissors, go like that, or if you can with your tongue. We need to put it like circle inside. And just look at that. Oh, he's so cute. We're gonna try to do it like this one, from this one. And on the middle, so that you need to stretch it, but be careful ripping it like that, like counterclockwise, like it's like a lace. Now the sides are done. For some stretching again, for some curves that we are liking. And this is your petal. Look how easy I made all of this, and you can do it too. It's gonna be fabulous. It's gonna be more realistic, and I'm gonna show you how we apply it in my face later, because we need the scar wax. I like my work to be like so seamless. You know, this edge, I don't like that showing in my skin, so we need to add more scar wax there and smooth it out, so no one will know where the petal ends. It should be seamless in your face. We're gonna put wires on the back of your petal, Mr. Tofi. Say goodbye. After hitting it using heat gun, we came up with this nice petal. And now we're gonna put wires on the back. Now we need these flower wires, and this is also in my Amazon influencer page. You can follow me there, Mama Kerr, and Follow me on YouTube at Mama Koi too. If you want more tutorials like this, gluing up the tip and in the middle on the space that you're not holding, and wait till it gets dry. Once it dries, you can continue putting glue down to here, but do not exceed on the tip of the petal because I don't want the wires to poke your face. I'm doing the second one. This is special petal, the fan petal I call. And while we're waiting for it to get dry, I'm gonna explain this car wax on how to make it seamless in your face in this video. So as you can see in this video, I'm putting scar wax just on the edge of this petal towards his skin. So just cover the entire part where the petal ending. Try to make as seamless as possible. You don't need to be perfect. No one's perfect. You can buy scar wax in Amazon, and after you put the scar wax, you can smooth it out using Vaseline. And after Vaseline, put the powder and then cover it with liquid latex before you color it. I know the petals on my videos look so hard to do, but it's actually really easy. Like few steps and you'll have your fabulous petal. And now we got a duplicate petal without color and with color. If you got more questions, just DM me or comment on my videos, and I'm gonna try to do more tutorials. And just follow me in my YouTube at Mama Kerr, and I'll see you again. Goodbye.